Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got three 2020 Kenworth t880 heavy haul triaxle day caps to show you. All three of them respecting identical X15s, 565s, 18 speeds, full double frame, full lockers. These have 228 to 260 on the miles. I've got them all set up here to take a look at. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside on a couple of them. Let's go ahead and get started. These are all set up with headache racks, light bars. They've got 20,000 fronts, 18.5 drops, steerable drops, extremely long slides, Hendrickson 4-bag air ride suspension. Everything about these are super heavy. Disc brakes as well. Conditions on all three of them are pretty similar. You can probably pick one over the other with some minor differences, but overall about the same truck. Good bodies, paint, fuel tanks, all that's all in good shape. Steering gearboxes. Interior on all of them is really nice and clean. They've got extra gauges, full lockers, smart steering wheel. This one's got 259 specifically on this one. We got one with 228, one with 265. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure is common just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you need one or all three or need anything different, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.